So, I'm going to put somebody in the hot seat tonight. This is my seat right here. Person I'm going to put in the hot seat tonight is Jenna Williams. Come on down. Come on down. Let her get in the hot seat because you know what?
Be careful now.
Last month, my husband was in the hot seat. And she was all laughing, ha ha ha.
Spit that down, sure.
That's right, turn around from me. So I'm going to read this poem for Jenna, who's actually my best friend. Shoot me down. God is gracious to this gracious goddess. Though she be covered in objects and subdued by projects that yield spiritual profits, a vessel coming face to face with toxins as she attempts to live honest, to protect herself from her flaws as God nurtures her purpose. She builds a fortress of substantial substance to cushion her fall as she frequently plummets. And when she becomes weak, no pain shows. To her soul is directly where the pain goes, but I've been peeping through her windows. I've seen her with no clothes, been discovering her without her covering and realizing her worth is priceless, even when her face tightens. And God is gracious to this gracious goddess, even says her name like a sonnet. Her reaction to chaos is almost catatonic. Yet there are days she doesn't feel worthy of his timeless promise. But as God's daughter, she's been woven by special order. Unbreakable fabric shaped by living water. No boutique can stock it. Unaware of the value, yet unable to mock it. Many in their ignorance choose to knock it. As she catches her tears in lockets and sidesteps topics to avoid jabs in her paragraphs. Her mask perpetually laughs in spite of its scabs. For every scar she has, there is a reason, a purpose for every lesion in its season. See, she makes medicine and is often broken to do so. They crown her truthful as they pick up their prescriptions but don't even care to know what makes her healing waters flow. And there is a reason I am more than acquainted with her hurts, what it's like to hold up a whole galaxy and not just Earth. More than acquainted with the pressing put upon seeds for fruit to spring from dirt to make medicine work. Intimately aware of the labor pain it takes to give birth. And I wish she could see what I see just in the brevity of an expression. I see the end of a journey in blessings. And at the end of tears, I see lessons because I've learned them. I have plenty of scars and I've earned them. Though many never hear the details of my invisible makeup from me. So in hers, I see beauty. And I feel privileged that she would even offer to share her food with me when I thought no one even knew that I was starving, let alone hungry. As we sit marveling at the Most High's timing and not covers but bindings. And I'm glad I picked up the book that I originally planned to leave on the shelf. And I'm glad she could hear my inner cries for help. And I'm glad for the love-hate relationship I have with every pain she's ever felt. And I'm glad that I have even the opportunity to set aside me to gain such a wealth. And I'm glad I could see her past herself and she could see me past me. And the gravity of our galaxies is staggering. And I'm praying over her brokenness as her pieces come together, no longer delaying. Praying as the Most High begins to reveal the reason for the dues I've been paying. Praying to the Most High for her secretly keeping her secret so only He can hear what I am saying. Praying as she speaks that all her scars don't ultimately match mine, as she learns the lessons this time. And then for me, she does the same. Funny how little birds opening books can begin to reveal the meaning of prosperous names. And God is gracious to this gracious goddess. God is gracious. Amen.
Amen.
So, I took her, I was going to give her a special journal because I want my friends to get back to writing. So I don't think that any gift or purpose should ever be abandoned. So I want her to come up here right now and get this journal that I got for her. And when I went to get this journal, see, this is the thing that I do for my best friend, because she is my best friend. When I go to get something for her, I don't look at none of the cheap shit because she go, oh, what the fuck is this? You know, I go to right to the most expensive shit that I can find. This is a nice motherfucker right here. That's nice. So start writing something there. Because you know Jacob is determined to get you up on stage. Yeah, it is.
Sister, you've been on my mind. Oh, sister, we're two of a kind soul, sister. I'm keeping my eyes on you. you think I don't know nothing but singing the blues. Oh, sister, have I got news for you? I'm something. I hope you think that you're something too.